Three angle.
ये मैं इसको Did I ask you questions relating to the second part?
No harms during this video making. Hey everyone, welcome back to the 10th episode of our podcast. हम यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँच गए मुझे खुद नहीं पता, इससे भी नहीं पता. राजविक, मैं पाई, ये सिग्मा. वेलकम बैक टू द डबल बॉन्ड पॉडकास्ट. दिस माइट बी द 10th एपिसोड. ये आ जाएगा या अगले हफ्ते फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ 2024 आएगा, मुझे नहीं पता. इसको भी नहीं पता कौन एडिट कर रहा है, अभी तक हमने देखा नहीं है. दोनों व्लॉग्स मैंने अकेले किए. तुझे तुम
स्टार्टिंग में मैंने भी किए थे 2 व्लॉग्स.
हाँ.
So basically like you know I want to tell this as a social note.
Okay, go on.
Anytime you feel like you know you've lost something like in yourself.
Yeah.
You know, anytime you feel like nahi yaar, nahi, this is not me.
Yeah.
Trust me, just go on a trip. ठीक है, don't talk to anybody. Find your own self.
Yeah.
And come back. Because trust me, you lose yourself. You're anyway losing so much of it. You might lose something more important too. So if you're finding yourself, just take your space before anything happens. Mental health is very important.
Definitely.
Now all this time in the trip, भूल जाओ, forget the enjoyment. I worked on myself and I feel way better now.
Okay.
That is the only good part I would say. I went to Yercaud, then I went to Coimbatore, then वापस आते वक्त I went to Tirupur.
My college left it early, way early. तो first 5 days full chill, Netflix, kick up my feet, nice enjoyment, पूरा AC वेसी लगा के सोना, वही सब एंडसम की कहानियाँ तुम्हें तो पता होगी. And yeah, I also went to Salem, which
ये बगल में ही था.
हाँ, हम लोग मिलने वाले थे पर
टाइमिंग सेट नहीं हुआ,
कुछ हो गया.
वही.
तो then I went to Salem. Salem is a very beautiful place. Like Yercaud, I know Salem के ऊपर ही है, but Salem में like you can see that like you know 270 degrees of mountains. So that's a very charming feel. और
ये
मैंने
नीचे
reel
था,
भी
ये
बना
मैं इसको
ली.
ऊपर, ये मैं इसको ऊपर.
Oh God.
Like Salar और Donkey. मैं
Yeah.
vlog में नहीं था. I didn't make a vlog, but I went to the movie.
He did.
Yeah, Donkey भाई शाहरुख खान fan. I went first day
हाँ.
night show, लेकिन vlog नहीं किया उसका.
हाँ.
What do you think about Donkey?
मैंने तो रिव्यू दे दिया, तू दे दे.
Okay, so basically you know अच्छी थी. कुछ बोल भी नहीं सकते. मतलब देखो यार, it's an emotional movie.
Yeah.
What it should deliver, it has delivered.
Yeah.
उससे ज़्यादा मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था, उससे कम भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. जितना एक्सपेक्ट करके गया उतना ही मिला. एंड अबाउट सलार, नहीं यार, एक ही डाउट है. मैंने तेरे से पूछा, डिड आई आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस रिलेटिंग टू द सेकंड पार्ट? व्हाई आर यू गिविंग मी आंसर्स टू द क्वेश्चन आई डिडंट आस्क यू?
Yeah.
एंड लिटरली सलार कैन बी डिफाइंड. सलार, आई कैन गिव यू एन एनॉमली फॉर सलार. ठीक है. फर्स्ट हाफ बहुत टाइम है यार. बहुत टाइम है. सेकेंड हाफ
Yeah.
10 मिनट है. 5 गुजर, कैसे लिखूं? सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स
Yeah.
तूने सेकंड हाफ में दे दिए. यू नो इट वाज लाइक फर्स्ट हाफ वाज लाइक सम मिस्टर बीस्ट वीडियो, सेकंड हाफ वाज एक्चुअली लाइक सम मूवी. फर्स्ट हाफ इट वाज जस्ट मतलब एक्शन ही था. ड्रामा क्या चल रहा था फर्स्ट हाफ में मुझे खुद नहीं पता.
किसी को नहीं पता.
मैं डायरेक्टली सेकंड हाफ में भी जाता, मेरे को पूरा मूवी समझ में आ जाता.
Exactly what I said. So तुम लोगों ने अगर मूवीज़ के अगर सारे जो जितने भी व्लॉग्स हमने बना दिए चैनल पे नहीं देखे, जाके अभी देखो. उस कॉर्नर पे हम लोग पॉपअप स्क्रीन दे देंगे शायद. हाँ, उसी कॉर्नर. बट 2023 सच अ बिग ईयर.
बहुत लंबा था, बहुत चीज़ें
हुई, especially in Bollywood. Especially you know what I think? Thinking about Bollywood right now in the end of December, start of January, what are the team of Fighter doing?
Team of
Fighter. Like, you have such a Greek god level actor with you. You have such a Ana de Armas type Indian version Diva Queen with you. And you completely ditch the second half. You just focus on the Greek god. And that too you make the song, I don't know how. कैसे बना दिया तुम लोगों ने दोनों गाने?
I mean to be honest, शेर खुल गया. Starting में अच्छा नहीं लगा, but as I kept hearing it,
Yeah.
ठीक है. लेकिन the second song still,
इश्क जैसा कुछ.
it's still very very average.
When I think about it, na, Siddharth Anand movies, when they make music, they always tend to, you know, क्या बोलते हैं वो, passing over time, it like grows upon you.
It grows upon, but
Because
Bang Bang is not like that.
I remember Ghungru. Okay, Ghungru जब पहले रिलीज हुआ था तब obviously everyone जिनको तमिल आता है, हिंदी आता है, जिनको हिंदी नहीं भी आता वो भी देख रहे थे. पर that time I didn't watch Ghungru till like probably half a day, like one day into Ghungru. But then जब Ghungru सुना and then continuously loop पे सुनता गया तब ओ भाई क्या डांस स्टेप्स, क्या कोरियोग्राफी.
I mean like you know, for me Ghungru first time पे ही अच्छा लगा. What was that other song पठान में?
पठान में बेशरम है.
We all know why that song got hit. Both political reasons and also non-political reasons.
या therefore. So वही हम लोगों ने अभी इस एपिसोड में we were going to discuss about. So right in front of us guys is the top I don't know 50 movies of 2023. मुझे पता नहीं, हम लोग रेट करते जाएंगे अगर हमने देखी है नहीं देखी है,
Yeah.
डिसाइड करेंगे. आई डोंट नो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू बट लेट्स गो. सो
Okay, first on the
Go on.
list, जैसे Google दिखा रहा है, टाइगर नागेश्वर राव. It was good.
Okay.
I didn't find anything so bad in the movie. Second half, as usual, अच्छा होना चाहिए था थोड़ा. First half was ठीक है. Next.
मिशन रानीगंज मैंने तो नहीं देखी तो
Okay, so basically Mission Raniganj
या
is like every other, you know, social commentary, social event, Akshay Kumar film like Gold, Padman, ये सब. क्या ही expect कर रहे हो? It's Akshay Kumar and it's social event film.
वाज इट मीडियोकर?
It was good.
ओके. खो गए हम कहाँ, हम दोनों ने नहीं देखी बिकॉज हम
Yeah.
लोग गए थे सेलम वॉरियर का. तो we
Twelve
don't know.
fail, I didn't see it either.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming. मैंने देखी. And guys, if you think that you're too misogynist in your mindset, please go watch it. तुम्हें थोड़ा opposite sex के बारे में, like you know, their thought process के बारे में पता चल जाएगा.
And like-
It's for the girls obviously.
Yeah. I saw the trailer
Yeah.
and I came to know it was for the female or the
audience,
women
yeah.
audience. I
Yeah.
thought, नहीं, I really don't give a shit.
Exactly. You should watch it.
Jigar Tanda, did you watch it?
No.
I am telling you, this movie
Yeah.
is the best movie which came out of Tamil industry this year, and trust me, must watch. I swear to God, I would want to cut my wrist because I didn't watch it in the theater. I'm
Okay.
telling you, this movie is a must watch.
No harms during this video making. Please don't take notes. छत्रपति भाई क्यों बना दिया नहीं. आई जस्ट जी सिनेमा में चल रहा था, मैंने ऐसे ही 15 मिनट देखे. क्यों बना दी?
I mean, I know that actor.
Yeah.
I know that director. ठीक है. Director बहुत तेलुगु इंडस्ट्री में पुराना डायरेक्टर था. भाई this actor doesn't even have place in Telugu industry. Why is he coming here?
Bollywood, yeah.
जाके भीख मांगने को बोलना.
But anyways, Bloody Daddy.
I watched
Mediocre
it.
at
Very
best.
mediocre.
Yeah.
Very mediocre.
Because Shahid Kapoor, I don't know, like his career is Leo. तुमने अगर रिव्यू नहीं देखा, हमने व्लॉग बनाया, रिव्यू बनाया, पता नहीं क्या बनाया, जाके देखो, वहाँ ऊपर दिखा दूंगा मैं.
And about Leo,
Yeah.
direct rating देते हैं. How much would you rate it
Sure.
out of 10?
I'd say a good 8. 8. Yes.
Jawan. I'm Shah Rukh Khan fan. 10 out of 10.
सेम. बट मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ी चीज़ें लाइक यू नो कुड हैव बीन बेटर. फाइनली इट्स अ स्टारडम मूवी. सेम पठान जवान
Right.
दोनों. I'd give a 7.5 out of 10.
Skanda. You watched it?
Yeah.
Trust me, every Telugu audience will say that this movie was meant for the memes. You know, in a scene,
Yeah.
this guy shoots a policeman, and in the next frame, the policeman is there in that frame. अभी तो मरा था. Literally the next frame. Then I understand how the movie was.
And I remember Sigma hyping the movie up for me. He was like, भाई तूने स्कंदा अगर नहीं देखी है, ट्रेलर देख.
Trailer.
इस चीज़ का.
When the trailer came out, I was positive, but when the movie came out, I'm like,
Next, moving on. हमने गूगल पे सर्च मारा और खो गए हम 3 बार आ चुका है लिटरली.
उसके बाद आदि पुरुष.
बुक रही थी भाई आदि पुरुष. धीरे धीरे चलते हैं वहाँ तक. ड्रीम गर्ल 2.
Dream Girl 2, I know for a fact, it's a pure comedy movie, but I wouldn't recommend you to watch it for the second time. The movie was hit, collections भी आए, but Ayushmann Khurrana has been missing since.
सिंस एक्शन हीरो भी उतना नहीं गया.
To be honest, Action Hero was a very, very, very good movie,
Yeah.
and the movie flopped at the box office, and I wouldn't even blame Ayushmann Khurrana for not signing many movies after that. Banda went started singing in the concert.
Yeah. Actually.
Shehzad.
Okay, Shehzada, the paper on story, like on paper story was good.
On paper story क्या रीमेक था?
हाँ लेकिन फिर भी
पेपर को बस जेरोक्स मारा उन लोगों ने. सेल्फी, डिड यू वॉच सेल्फी?
I watched Selfie. Selfie is a good movie. Selfie is
अच्छा.
worthwhile. Selfie
And,
इस साल आया था पिछले
इसी साल आया था फरवरी.
ओह राइट. फरवरी से याद आया, फरवरी के पहले जवान पठान जो आई थी.
It crushed everything.
It literally शाहरुख खान and सिद्धार्थ आनंद cooked.
तू झूठी में
Too
मक्कर.
Jhoti Mein Makkar was mediocre.
Sexy.
Mediocre at best at the storytelling. It was good because पैसे दिखाए भाई. और है लव रंजन की मूवी पैसे उड़ाना काम.
I mean, I'm
लव रंजन
personally
movie का.
very big fan of Love Ranjan.
तूने प्यार का पंचनामा नहीं देखा. दोनों मैंने 4 मूवीज देखी है लव रंजन की.
Japan. Okay, trust me. I was watching this movie. 30 minutes into the movie and I stopped the movie because कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा था. People are flying in the air, shooting was happening. For what? He suddenly playing a double role. No, there is a whole 10-minute sequence which literally contributes nothing to the movie.
Jailer.
I watched it 3 times.
I watched it for Kavya Maran, even though she's not there in Jailer. I watched only the audio launch of.
I watched it 3 times in the theater.
Oppenheimer, Barbie तूने देखी?
I didn't see both.
Oppenheimer मैंने देखी. Oppenheimer was fairly good. Like obviously the Christopher Nolan movie biopic था तो बढ़ गए पूरा. You know, it was very much into the.
Did you watch this movie?
No heart, no.
I watched this movie.
No hard feelings. मैंने नाम भी नहीं सुना.
I watched this movie. It was good.
Okay.
Dude cheats. Oh my god.
Oh my
2.
god.
10 out of 10 movie. I personally suggest you to watch this movie. बहुत अच्छी. To be honest, the only hit for Akshay Kumar.
Yeah.
Even though Selfie was good, even though Mission Rani ka punch was good. To be honest, all ventures that came out of of Akshay Kumar this year, all were good. They were not bad. They were actually good movies. But only one performed well. That is Oh My God 2. And that was also stopped only because Gadar 2 was playing. That is one whole shithole of a movie.
Okay. So, the worst 3 में third position is going to Gadar 2. Right? Best 5 में Gulmohar, Satya Prem Ki Katha and Oh My God 2. And we are adding 2 more movies which came by the end of the year. But हम देख लेंगे.
And I can say the worst 3 movies of the year, ठीक है?
Yeah.
For like top 3rd में आता है Gadar 2. Top
second last में आती है किसी का भाई किसी की जान. And then
first में
the worst मती देखो तुम लोग. The worst movie of 2023. 700 करोड़ पानी में बहा दिए. आदि पुरुष.
And if there is something more than that, Ganpat.
That too. Special mention, honorable mention, which is even worse than the top, like the bottom three. The December mania of 4 movie releases. We both went to the movies. We recorded vlogs about it. Sam Bahadur, Animal, Donkey, Salar.
For me,
Yeah.
like, you know, what is the best movie you've watched this year?
This year probably goes to Sam Bahadur cause Bhai Sahab, Vicky Kaushal as Sam Bahadur, goated, and his performance in Donkey as well. Tera kya?
You know the answer.
You're going to say Animal. He's obviously going to say Animal.
Look, okay, I love violence, I love gore, I love a bit of drama,
Yeah.
which goes with violence,
Mm-hmm.
and then there is like you could feel those characters,
Mm-hmm.
the way they're speaking. Perfect. It's
Okay.
perfect.
So top 5 हमें मिल चुके हैं 2023 के. गुलमोहर, सत्य प्रेम की,
Oh my god, too.
Oh my God 2, Sam Bahadur और Animal. You can rank them on your wish. Comment में करके बता देना क्या.
I don't-
So hope you guys enjoyed the
It was just basically full, movie talk.
movie talk. Hope you guys enjoyed the movie talk episode 10. First week of 2024. Happy New Year. Happy Merry Christmas whenever you're watching this. Have a great evening. Have a great day. Have a great night whenever you're listening. And see you in the next one. Peace off.
Fuck off. And by the way, we got to give more bhav to that camera angle.
तू देख नहीं रहा है वो तेरा एंगल है.